guys, welcome back to Overdrive, and as you can see today we are in the studio. Just want to let you guys know before today's video gets started, I wanted to tell you guys that this video was filmed back in the summertime when I had the Civic. The video is unfinished because I never got to put on the rear coilovers because there was too many parts that were rusted that I had to replace, more money. It was just beginning to become a money pit, and that's why I sold the car. If you guys want to see a video on me telling you why I sold the car, I can also make a video for you guys there. I feel like that would be pretty dope. I also have a bunch of unreleased videos. This is one of them. So this is one out of like the 5 unreleased videos of the Civic that you guys never got to see. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to comment down below and like this video, and it'll let me know that you guys want to see more. Yeah, so sorry for like not really posting. Me and Mateo are trying to come up with videos to make for you guys. It's hard because COVID and it's winter now and we don't really know what to do. All of our parts that we usually do are in summer, but yeah, hopefully you guys stay tuned for more videos and you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and share with family and friends. And thank you guys for coming back and watching. If you guys want to see more, let me know in the comments. Oh, also, shout out to Yokane or Yonaka, whatever you pronounce it. Coilovers are amazing. Wish I got to put on the back ones, but I didn't. So if you guys have a Honda Civic like the 6th gen right here, or any Honda Civic, I guess you can say, or any budget build really, these are like one of the best coilovers for your price. Links in the description. Shout out Yokane or Yonaka. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright guys, after taking all that stuff off, you get hit with these coilovers. So right here we got the rears. They're on top, bro. Comes in pretty nice packaging. And damn, are these clean. So they actually do come with a tutorial right here to tell you what to do. Yeah, so I got the street spec coilovers for the 2000 Honda Civic Si. But these are just made, these are made for the EK, like it's titled the EK ones, but in the description it says it works for all Civic models. So hopefully it goes as planned and we don't run into any problems. But these are going to be my first time installing coilovers, and we'll see how it goes. The product is actually pretty nice. It looks clean. I kind of like the black and the satin orange-ish, and looks pretty dope. Top hats look nice and everything. Alright guys, now continuing on with the process. You got your other rear coilover. Now, so it comes with new bolts, so we don't have to reuse the old ones. We have our fronts right here. Once you take it out of this package, these are pretty heavy, so they actually feel like they're going to be really good quality. They also have a race spec. Alright guys, so that's the coilovers. We got them right there and right there. I'm gonna rearrange the cars, pull up the Civic, and then we can start. Alright guys, so if you guys don't know how to install coilovers, we're gonna learn today. So basically you just want to get your car on a nice level area if you can. Me, I'm on my driveway, so I'm on a little bit of slope. All you want to do is jack up the car from the front, but make sure that you chock the wheels, toss your jacks underneath, and then lay it on the jack stands, and then also have your jack still here though. And then basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop your hood, so then you can unscrew these bolts right here on the top hat, and that side too. We're gonna start with the fronts and then move to the backs, and yeah, that's pretty much all, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so I moved to the court because my driveway was just like, it wasn't leveled and it was just hella sketchy. If you guys can see, because it's on the tripod, but we basically have to take out this bolt right there and we should be good. Hopefully we don't have to take out the upper control arm right there, and we don't have to take out that bolt. Almost forgot, guys, before taking out the strut, you do want to get this bolt right there off that off this mount type thing, so then you can pull this mount off and give you enough space to get this out. Alright guys, so this is the old strut against the new coilovers. You can obviously see the height difference. Yo, start, get the hell out of here, G. But yeah, you can obviously see the height difference. This one's going to be way shorter. I think I'm gonna leave it how it is right now, how it's preset, and then when it's on the car, I will lower it from there. Alright guys, now we're gonna install the new coilovers into the Civic, so let's get going. Alright guys, so the top nuts for the top mount here are a 17, so they actually did change sizes. Alright guys, now I'm going to zip the screw back into the rest of the, whatever the hell this damn thing's called. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys realized, but when we first started, I could barely get this tire off the floor. Now let's see where it's at. We were all the way down there before when we started. We could barely get the tire off the floor. Now we're all the way up here. Oh damn, when I drop the car too, that's gonna, oh, damn. Yo boys, we're low. But without further ado, let's start this other side. Alright guys, just so you know, I am gonna breeze through this just so we can get it over and done with, but I will show you guys when we're done. So let's get started. That is way too low. Bruh. So we're definitely gonna have to readjust that. Alright guys, since this is way too low, I am gonna have to readjust it and go up maybe like an inch and a half maybe. Alright guys, so I readjusted the coilovers. We got a finger gap now and it's sitting pretty good. Other side's the exact same. It's getting dark out, so I'm gonna try and get the back ones as fast as possible. I'm pretty sure the back ones are supposed to be easy, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I got the rears here. I'm probably just gonna loosen them up a bit, and then I'm gonna slap them on. Alright guys, to change your rear coilovers, all you want to do is head to the back of your car, pull the underliner out, and right there is your coilover. So I'm gonna go undo those bolts. Y'all don't really need to watch me do that. It's literally 2 bolts. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright guys, after you take out the tire, the strut is supported by 3 bolts. So you want to take this one out first that you see right there. And then the 2 ones that are supporting the strut on the top half. Alright guys, so this bolt right here is a 14. Toss it on your machine and get plumbing.
You can't say things like this in videos. You can't say things like that.
Alright guys, so this bolt right here is a 14 millimeter. The wrench is not strong enough, so I'm going to take out the impact. Alright guys, so my bolt is pretty seized, so I got some WD-40 here. Just spray that on here. Spray a lot. Doesn't hurt. That is so hard, bro.
Basically.